really gets custody of the children in a custody case in Michigan? My name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Who really gets custody? I'll tell you who gets custody. The person who gets custody is the person regarding whom the court feels it's in the best interest of the child to go to that person. Maybe mom, it may be dad. Don't think for a minute that it's a gender thing. It used to be in the 50s that people thought that the mom always seemed to get the custody. We're quite a ways from that now. Now the court looks at what's in the best interest of the minor child, and it very, very carefully evaluates how the best interests are served by mom and how they're best served by dad. There may be certain things that you can do to make the uneven playing field. For example, if mom, during the course of your marriage, has always run the point with the kids, has always been to all the school meetings, all the doctors, all the dentists, all those kind of things that are important, and you have had other responsibilities, but have basically delegated those things to her, you might now, in the custody battle, you better bone up on those things. You might consider finding out what medical conditions the kids have, what allergies they have, who their pediatrician is, when's the last time they've been to the dentist, what's their favorite color, what's their favorite subject matter in school, which teachers do they like, which teachers don't they like, well, who are their friends. You might better put yourself in a position so that you're on an even playing field with the other parent. That's a tip that if you do that, it will more likely give you an opportunity to get custody, to make it harder for the court to choose one person over another. Big mistakes that people make in court are presuming that the court's necessarily going to give you the kid because you're the mom, or presuming that since you have a better job and you're the dad, the kids are going to you. Those are big mistakes. The court doesn't analyze that way. The court looks at a much more complicated analysis because the stakes are so high, the well-being of a child. You got to understand that. And that's why it's important to take the practical ways that we have laid out, the things that you might do, in order to even that playing field and strengthen your case a little bit. That's the key. It's also very important. A lot of people think that in court it's a good idea to dump on the other person. They maybe saw that on television. Maybe they think that it's in their best interest to do that. But you know what? It's not. The best thing that you can do, forget about the other person. Promote yourself. Tell the court all the reasons why you're a good choice. Forget about why they're a bad choice. Just the court will draw its own conclusions. Show the court why there is no other choice but to go with you with respect to the custody case. If you do that, you're more likely to have a successful experience and a favorable result. If you have any questions about that, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.